Girl, I don't know, today's Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Let's see what I do today. Nothing much. Keisha nephew came over. I gave him a facial, gave him some skincare tips, and I stopped by Target to do a pickup order because we are babysitting Keisha's cousin's baby for a couple of days. So I wanted to make him a little welcome basket to welcome him in because this will be his first time staying here, and I just wanted to, you know, get some little stuff for him to let him know he's welcome, and if he gets a little fussy, I can like slowly introduce a new toy to him. And it's just, I mean, I know he's a baby, he don't understand what's going on, but I still wanted to, you know, treat him with some little TLC because, you know, I'm a homemaker, and the #1 job of a homemaker is create an inviting home. And so I feel like babies can definitely feel vibes. So I just want him to be calm and feel that his TT's put in some effort, you know, for his little arrival. Like I said, this is his first time coming here, and sometimes babies, that it takes them a minute to get acclimated to like the new surroundings. So I just wanted to make sure he was extra comfortable because this is a new, you know, surrounding for him. Should you go in the front? No, you should go in the back. Alright. And I'm just gonna lay it out like this. Put the like this little well thing that's so cute. I was like, I need a theme. They're probably like, girl, show us what you doing. I don't even know if y'all can see what I'm doing. And then Keisha, you know, she is the better writer of the two of us. So she's working on his little tag. That is too cute. All right, let me take a picture so I can show my boo. Get my cup out the way. If you're new here, hello again. My name is nikianichelle, and I upload new videos every Sunday and Tuesday on Homemaking. I vlog my life with my wife, and I also share skincare tips because I'm a licensed esthetician. So if you're interested in that content, please subscribe to my channel and become an emerald, and be sure to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video. And thank you so much to my returning emeralds. I appreciate your love and support. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
over here negotiating sleep.
Then they go to sheep. Sheep, 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 sheep.
Hey, slow down, Mike. Okay, you're making me sick.
So far. I covered up my little station here. This is what I need to freeze so the items won't go bad. So I have some peppers there, I'm gonna freeze, potatoes for dinner tonight, and onions. So I'm gonna make my own little seasoned blend with peppers and onions. So as I cook throughout the week or when we come back, those won't go to waste. I'm gonna cover that back up for now.
happens then. And I think that people are surprised that I've gone through my own emotional crisis that's made me feel depressed and sad.
Real fruit juice. Todo respaldadas frescas. Totally authentic, vibrantly flavorful.
Not very comfortable.
It's supposed to be real tight, almost painful. Oh. So this is a harness.
Okay.
I'm gonna take you guys downstairs.
Like 14
Cool, so we're easier color.
And that lasts for like 10 years.
Yes, use every inch of the space.
I love shoes.
Okay.
I'm looking at